Time travel. It's one of humanity's oldest dreams. Imagine seeing dinosaurs with your own eyes, watching the pyramids being built, or visiting Earth 1,000 years from now. It sounds like pure fantasy. But according to modern science, there might actually be ways to travel through time. The real question is, which ones are possible and which ones belong only in movies? So let's find out what the Pluck is time travel all about. Before we build a time machine, here's something most people don't realize. You are already traveling through time, right now. Every second, you're moving 1 second into the future. Not exciting? I know. But imagine, instead of waiting 50 years, you could skip them. You leave today, come back tomorrow, and everyone else is 50 years older. Sounds impossible? Actually, this part isn't science fiction. Let's imagine it's the year 2200. Humans finally built the fastest spaceship ever created. Not faster than light, because science says nothing with weight can do that. But so incredibly close that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. You volunteer. Your mission? Travel for just 1 year. You wave goodbye to your family. The engines ignite. Earth disappears. The moon becomes a tiny rock. The sun becomes another star. Inside the spaceship, everything feels normal. You eat, you sleep, you watch movies, you celebrate your birthday. Exactly 1 year later, you return home. Your house is gone. The city looks completely different. Flying cars? Maybe. Buildings touching the clouds. Robots everywhere. You finally ask someone, "What year is this?" They smile. "It's 2325. Wait, you left in 2200. For you, 1 year passed. For Earth, more than 125 years. You didn't just travel through space, you traveled through time." Imagine 2 clocks. One stays on Earth, the other travels through space at an unbelievable speed. When they meet again, they no longer show the same time. The faster you travel, the slower time passes. For you. You don't notice it. Your heartbeat feels normal. Your watch looks normal. Everything inside your spaceship feels perfectly ordinary. But outside, the universe keeps moving, almost as if time forgot to wait for you. Now comes the question everyone wants answered. Can we go backwards? Can we meet dinosaurs? Warn people about disasters? Or tell your younger self to buy bitcoins? Scientists have imagined some incredible ideas. Maybe a giant black hole. Maybe a tunnel through space called a wormhole. Think of it like this. Imagine folding a sheet of paper. 2 points that were far apart suddenly touch. A wormhole could, theoretically, do something similar, connecting not just different places, but maybe different times. Sounds amazing? There's just one problem. Nobody has ever found one. Nobody has ever traveled through one. Right now, they're still just ideas. Now imagine you actually could go back in time. You meet your 10-year-old self. You tell him, "Don't make this mistake." But wait, if he never makes that mistake, would future you still travel back to warn him? And if you never traveled back, who warned him? Your brain hurts, doesn't it? Scientists call these time travel paradoxes, questions that nobody has been able to answer. Maybe the universe simply doesn't allow traveling into the past. Or maybe it has rules we still don't understand. So, can humans time travel? The future? According to modern physics, it might actually be possible. The past? That's still one of the greatest mysteries ever imagined. Maybe, one day, someone watching this video will build the world's first real time machine. And if you do, please come back and tell us. Or maybe, if you go near a black hole, who knows? That's for another video. If you want to know more about what the pluck happens in our reality, comment down below. If I don't know, we will learn it together. I'm just a duck surviving in the universe full of madness. Until next time, quack.